Insert 2 positioning rods, V, to the threaded receptacles. If using adhesives to secure the upper part of the lock, remove the cover off of the interior adhesive, S, on the mounting plate, LK. Place the mounting plate on the door. Ensure that the cable is guided through the rectangular hole near bottom of the mounting plate. Make sure that the spindle and the positioning rods are passing through their respective openings. Without using any tools, insert 1 screw O into the hole directly above the spindle. Carefully turn the screw by hand clockwise to catch the thread correctly. Turn the screw counterclockwise and make sure it is not cross-threaded and turns smoothly. Repeat if necessary using caution. Once the screw has been inserted correctly, make 5 turns clockwise by hand. Tighten the screw. Remove the positioning rods. Without using any tools, insert 2 screws O into the holes on the either side of the spindle. Carefully turn the screws by hand clockwise to catch the threads correctly. Turn the screws counterclockwise and make sure they are not cross-threaded and turned smoothly. Repeat if necessary using caution. Once the screws have been inserted correctly, make 5 turns clockwise by hand. Secure the screws O by tightening with a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill. If using fasteners to secure the upper part of the lock, select the appropriate optional screw, M1 or M2. Finish securing the mounting plate to the door using the optional screw. Plug in the cable from the exterior assembly to the circuit board on the interior assembly, N. Make sure that the plug is oriented correctly, matching the red side of the plug to the red side of the socket on the circuit board. Position the interior assembly, ensuring that the spindle fits into the square hole. Guide some of the excess length of the cable towards the exterior assembly. Position the remaining length of the cable away from the spindle area, ensuring that the interior assembly sits securely on the mounting plate. Secure the interior assembly to the mounting plate using 3 screws, P. Place 4 double A batteries into the battery box. Press the programming button to enter programming mode. To end programming mode, press the program button anytime. Programming mode will automatically exit if the keypad is inactive for more than 30 seconds. Note: program button will be disabled once the device is synced to a smartphone. Configure all settings via synced smartphone. Close the battery box with the battery cover. Q. Secure it by fastening the battery cover screw at the top. Install the dust box, I, and the strike plate, H, to the door jamb using 2 screws, G. This concludes the installation of the Latch security